Huh? Oh no, I'm late! What do I wear? This one will do. Mom! Oh no, her car's not here! Oh, I'll check over. $100? Oh man, that means I have to run to school. I need to hurry. Oh, I hate running. I made it. Huh? I'm here. Wow, Lily, I wish I had a fancy entrance like that.
That's what comes with being rich.
I wish I wasn't poor. It's too quiet. Let's play some music. I love this song. How about you, Joyce? Do you have any good songs? Yeah, I got some good tunes.
Is your music playing? I can't even hear it.
But I'm too poor to have a portable speaker. Oh, I have an idea. I'll use these cups and toilet paper roll to make my own speaker. First, cut a hole in the toilet paper roll big enough to fit your phone. Next, cut a hole in the cups for the toilet paper roll. Now put it all together and you can hear my awesome music.
Wow, I love this song, Joyce. I've never heard it before.
Thanks! I love music at lunchtime.
Yeah.
Oh no, Professor Tony's gonna take away all our snacks.
Good thing my snacks are well hidden.
Oh, let's see what I have. Oh, all I have is this hat. That'll have to do. I'll hide my candy in this hat. All right, let's do this.
Oh, you're going with the old hat trick, I see.
Then where are you hiding your snacks, Lily?
I'm hiding my candy in my wallet. Look.
Hey, who's chewing in my class? Let's see here. Huh? Lily, put your wallet away. No one needs to know how rich you are.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, put it all away. And Joyce, no hats in class.
Oh no!
Hiding snacks in your hat? Come on, Joyce, you can't do that.
Oh no, Professor!
No buts. You've broken too many rules. Now get out of my class.
Aww.
I can't wait for lunch today.
I hope there's something cheap.
Ooh, I could get lobster, steak. Ooh, McDonald's!
I wonder if I have enough for lunch today. 3 cents? Do you have anything for 3 cents?
That's all you have? Yeah.
All my bread?
No way. 3 cents will only give you half a slice of bread.
Aw, here you go.
Enjoy half your slice.
Oh, I feel so bad.
I can't believe it.
Yes, my food came!
Joyce, do you want to maybe share my lunch?
McDonald's? I love McDonald's!
I'm gonna eat the Big Macs. Do you want the chicken nuggets?
Yes, please!
All right, everyone, it's test day.
Thanks, Professor.
What?
Here's your exam.
Oh, I didn't study. Where's my butler when I need him? Oh.
This is so easy. I'll get the scholarship, no problem.
Wait, you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
I'll pay for your scholarship if you help me on this test.
What? That's cheating. We can both fail. I'm sorry, Lily. I can't risk it.
Okay, Joyce. Professor!
Yeah, what is it, Lily?
I didn't study. Could you help me?
Sorry. I don't accept bribes. You just gotta try your best. Good luck on your test, guys.
Oh, I'm gonna fail for sure.
It was a nice try, Lily. Time for a great day. No water? Oh, man. That means I have to go to school like this. Oh, stupid water bill.
Let's get this day started. Which perfume should I wear? Which one? Oh, I know. I'll use them all. What happened to your hair, Joyce? It doesn't look washed.
Yeah, no water at my place. How much perfume did you use?
All of them?
Oh, looks like we both had eventful mornings. Ooh, that's my friend. Park! I love Park. Let's see. I have my phone, I need my house keys, and wallet. Wait a minute, I don't have a purse to put my stuff in. I can use the trash bag.
Huh? Feels like every day's your birthday when you're rich, huh? Ooh, a package! I wonder what's inside. Wow! He got me the newest purses from my favorite designer. Oh, and dresses. Oh, I love being rich. Oh my gosh, shoes. Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.